Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Practice Speaking English series. Today's conversation is all about beach vacations and summer plans, a fun and relaxing topic that helps you practice everyday English, learn new vocabulary, and speak confidently about travel, leisure activities, and summer experiences. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with friends, and leave a comment telling us your dream beach destination. Let's join Jake and Liam as they talk about their summer plans and beach vacations.
Hi Liam, how's it going? Are you ready for summer?
Hi Jake, yes, I can't wait. I've been thinking about going on a beach vacation soon.
That sounds amazing. Which beach are you planning to visit?
I'm thinking about going to Bali because I've heard it has beautiful beaches and lots of activities to do.
Bali is a great choice. Do you usually go on beach vacations every summer?
Yes, I try to visit at least one beach destination each year to relax and enjoy the sun.
That's wonderful. What do you enjoy most about beach vacations?
I love swimming in the sea, sunbathing, and just listening to the waves while reading a good book.
Do you usually go alone or with friends or family?
Usually with friends, we like to play beach volleyball and explore the area together.
That sounds fun. Do you also like trying water sports?
Absolutely. I love snorkeling, jet skiing, and sometimes even surfing if the waves are good.
Have you ever gone on a long road trip to reach a beach?
Yes. Last year we drove along the coast for 3 days, visiting several small beaches along the way.
That must have been beautiful. Did you take lots of photos?
Yes, I took hundreds, the sunsets were incredible, and the water was crystal clear.
Do you usually stay in hotels or rent a villa when you go to the beach?
I prefer renting a villa because it feels more private, and we can cook our own meals.
That's smart. Do you usually plan your meals for the trip?
Yes, I like to try local food, but sometimes we also buy groceries and make our own dishes.
What's your favorite beach activity in the morning?
I enjoy walking along the shore during sunrise. It's peaceful and a great way to start the day.
That's lovely. How about the afternoon?
Afternoons are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or simply relaxing under a beach umbrella.
Do you bring books or music to the beach?
Yes, I bring both. I love reading a novel while listening to soft music near the water.
That sounds relaxing. Do you usually wake up early during beach vacations?
Yes, I like to make the most of the daylight and avoid the hottest hours.
Do you enjoy evening activities on the beach?
Definitely, watching the sunset, having a barbecue, or going to beach bars is very fun.
Have you ever camped on the beach overnight?
Yes, once in Thailand, sleeping under the stars with the sound of the waves was unforgettable.
That sounds magical. Do you usually travel by plane or drive to the beach?
It depends on the destination. For local beaches, we drive, but for international trips, we fly.
Do you prefer crowded beaches or more secluded ones?
I prefer quieter beaches because I can relax without too much noise or distractions.
Do you usually swim in the sea or the pool?
Both, but I love swimming in the sea because it feels more refreshing and natural.
Do you apply sunscreen regularly while at the beach?
Of course, I always apply it every 2 hours to protect my skin from the sun.
Have you ever experienced any tropical storms or strong waves during a beach vacation?
Yes, one year it rained heavily for a day, but we still enjoyed the trip by staying in and exploring indoor activities.
Do you enjoy beach sports like volleyball or soccer?
Yes, they are fun and a good way to stay active while on vacation.
Do you prefer snorkeling or diving if you have the chance?
I love snorkeling. It's easier, and I can enjoy the colorful fish and coral reefs without too much training.
Have you ever tried paddleboarding?
Yes, and it's challenging but also very fun. It improves balance and feels relaxing on calm water.
Do you usually bring snacks and drinks to the beach?
Yes, water and fresh fruit are essential. They keep me hydrated and energized.
Do you enjoy beach picnics?
Absolutely. Sharing sandwiches and drinks with friends by the sea is perfect.
Do you often watch the sunrise or sunset at the beach?
Yes, both. Sunrise is peaceful and sunset is romantic and beautiful.
Do you usually listen to music at the beach?
Yes, soft music or ocean sounds make the experience even more relaxing.
Have you ever taken a boat tour during your beach vacations?
Yes, we explored nearby islands and hidden beaches by boat. It was amazing.
Did you go snorkeling or diving on the boat trip?
Yes, we saw many colorful fish and coral reefs. It was incredible.
Do you like collecting seashells or beach souvenirs?
Yes, I collect small shells and local handmade items as memories.
Have you ever tried surfing?
Yes, but I'm still learning. It's difficult, but really fun when you catch a wave.
Do you enjoy exploring nearby towns when visiting a beach?
Definitely, exploring local markets, restaurants, and attractions adds to the experience.
Do you usually plan your summer vacations in advance?
Yes, booking hotels and activities early helps avoid last-minute stress.
Do you enjoy swimming at sunrise or sunset more?
Sunrise, because it's peaceful and the water is calm.
Do you prefer tropical beaches or colder coastal areas?
I prefer tropical beaches with warm water and palm trees.
Do you usually take many photos at the beach?
Yes, I love capturing sunsets, waves, and fun moments with friends.
Have you ever tried jet skiing or parasailing?
Yes, both are thrilling experiences and give a unique perspective of the beach.
Do you enjoy relaxing with a book or magazine by the water?
Yes, reading with the sound of waves in the background is perfect.
Do you usually take long walks on the beach?
Yes, I enjoy walking along the shore and collecting seashells.
Do you prefer calm beaches or ones with lots of activities?
I like a balance, calm for relaxation, but also options for water sports.
Have you ever gone snorkeling at night?
No, but I'd love to try it. I hear it's a completely different experience.
Do you enjoy eating at beach restaurants?
Yes, fresh seafood and local dishes by the sea are amazing.
Do you usually try local drinks while on beach vacations?
Absolutely, fresh coconut water and local smoothies are my favorite.
Do you like playing beach games with friends?
Yes, volleyball, frisbee, and soccer are my favorites.
Do you enjoy sunset boat rides?
Yes, they're peaceful and give a beautiful view of the coastline.
Do you usually explore nearby islands on day trips?
Yes, island hopping is one of the best parts of beach vacations.
Do you enjoy swimming in lagoons or rivers near the beach?
Sometimes, especially if the water is clean and calm.
Do you prefer sandy beaches or rocky ones?
I prefer sandy beaches because they're softer and easier to walk on.
Do you ever do yoga or meditation on the beach?
Yes, early morning meditation with ocean sounds is very relaxing.
Do you enjoy sunset photography?
Yes, sunsets create amazing colors and are very photogenic.
Do you usually bring beach games or toys?
Yes, frisbee and inflatable balls are fun for group activities.
Do you prefer staying in resorts or budget hotels?
I like resorts for comfort, but budget hotels are great for long trips.
Do you enjoy seafood barbecue by the beach?
Yes, fresh grilled fish and shrimp are amazing.
Do you usually plan beach activities in advance?
Yes, I like to schedule snorkeling, boat trips, and hikes.
Do you enjoy paddleboarding at calm waters?
Yes, it's relaxing and great for balance practice.
Do you usually wake up early to watch the sunrise?
Yes, it's peaceful and a perfect way to start the day.
Do you prefer crowded beaches or quiet, secluded ones?
I prefer quiet beaches to relax and enjoy nature.
Do you enjoy exploring tide pools?
Yes, seeing little fish and crabs is fascinating.
Do you like collecting beach souvenirs?
Yes, small shells, postcards, and handmade crafts are my favorites.
Do you usually spend the whole day at the beach?
Often, but I also take breaks to explore nearby towns.
Do you enjoy beach parties at night?
Yes, bonfires and music create a great atmosphere.
Do you usually bring sunscreen and hats?
Yes, sun protection is very important.
Do you enjoy kayaking or canoeing?
Yes, it's peaceful and gives a different view of the coastline.
Do you usually go swimming in the morning or afternoon?
Morning, when the water is calm and the beach is less crowded.
Do you enjoy exploring coral reefs?
Absolutely, snorkeling over coral reefs is breathtaking.
Do you usually take a nap on the beach?
Sometimes, under an umbrella. It's very relaxing.
Do you enjoy exploring local culture while at the beach?
Yes, markets, festivals, and local cuisine are very interesting.
Do you usually plan long beach vacations or short trips?
Long vacations, so I can relax and explore everything.
Do you enjoy sandcastle competitions?
Yes, building castles is fun and creative.
Do you usually take evening walks along the shore?
Yes, the sunset and sound of waves are perfect.
Do you enjoy snorkeling in caves or hidden lagoons?
Yes, they are adventurous and beautiful.
Do you like swimming with friends or alone?
With friends, it's more fun and safe.
Do you usually bring a beach umbrella or rent one?
I bring my own, so I have shade whenever I want.
Do you enjoy water sports competitions?
Yes, watching or participating is thrilling.
Do you usually try local desserts near the beach?
Absolutely, they are often fresh and delicious.
Do you enjoy paddleboarding at sunset?
Yes, it's peaceful and gives a beautiful view of the horizon.
Do you like exploring small fishing villages near the beach?
Yes, it's very authentic and charming.
Do you usually swim in the sea every day?
Yes, it's my favorite summer activity.
Do you enjoy learning about local marine life?
Yes, fish, turtles, and coral are fascinating.
Do you like going on night boat trips?
Yes, seeing the stars reflected on the water is magical.
Do you usually plan beach trips with friends or family?
Both, but friends make it more fun with activities.
Do you enjoy relaxing in hammocks by the beach?
Yes, swinging gently while reading is perfect.
Do you usually try local seafood restaurants?
Absolutely, it's part of the beach experience.
Do you enjoy taking sunrise photos?
Yes, the colors are amazing.
Do you like exploring caves or cliffs near the beach?
Yes, adventurous exploration is exciting.
Do you usually plan swimming competitions with friends?
Yes, it's fun and makes the day active.
Do you enjoy watching local festivals by the beach?
Yes, music and dances create a lively atmosphere.
Do you usually take long boat rides?
Yes, exploring hidden beaches is my favorite.
Do you enjoy learning about local culture and history?
Absolutely, it adds meaning to the trip.
Do you like swimming in clear turquoise water?
Yes, it's beautiful and refreshing.
Do you usually bring water sports equipment?
Sometimes, like snorkels and inflatable boards.
Do you enjoy fishing at the beach?
Yes, it's relaxing and rewarding when I catch something.
Do you like exploring tide pools with friends?
Yes, discovering small creatures is fascinating.
Do you usually relax in the shade during the hottest hours?
Yes, it helps avoid sunburn and stay comfortable.
Do you enjoy paddleboarding with calm waves?
Yes, it's relaxing and great exercise.
Do you usually try local drinks like smoothies or coconut water?
Absolutely, they're refreshing and tasty.
Do you enjoy exploring coral reefs while snorkeling?
Yes, the colors and fish are incredible.
Do you usually end your beach day with a sunset walk?
Yes, it's the perfect way to relax before dinner.
Well, Liam, it seems like you really enjoy your beach vacations and summer plans.
Yes, Jake, I feel relaxed, happy, and ready for another summer adventure. That was a complete conversation about beach vacations and summer plans. We hope you learned useful phrases, vocabulary, and expressions to talk confidently about summer trips, beach activities, and travel plans. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with friends, and comment below, what's your dream beach destination? Enjoy your summer and keep practicing your English.